what's really going on. Bitcoin cryptocurrency currently XLM price action interacting with this bullish area of support and accumulation between 34 cents and 32 cents. We're looking for continued buy pressure between this range. We have experienced several bullish interactions with it so far throughout XLM's most recent sort of weeks here ever since August. So we're looking for continued buy pressure and bullish support from it during current interactions. Failure to hold this range will bring us all the way down to the most bullish area of support. The strongest area of technical support waiting for us is 26 cents per XLM. So in my opinion, we are still bullish on price action until 26 cents becomes resistance. However, that is still very bullish support for us. We're looking out for continued buy pressure between this significant range, 34 cents and 32 cents. Once you've solidified this area as support, we're watching for a break of overhead resistance, 40 cents, still waiting to give us a hard time. Daily candles opening and closing above it would confirm it as support and a bullish area of accumulation we can use to accumulate XLM with anticipated upside as long as we're supported by buy signals. And so at the moment, we are under the influence of this sell 4 coming into play on the November 16th daily candle. And so we need 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors to become bearish to potentially consider a more bullish area of accumulation for XLM to present itself here. So at the moment, we are still bullish on continued upside until a second Robo advisor becomes bearish on price action. And so EngineeringRobo is not here to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so you pick 3 of the many different Robo advisors available, and once 2 of your chosen 3 Robo advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, you can use that to determine accumulation or take profit levels. And so if you look at our previous combination of buy signal suggesting a bullish area of accumulation near 26 cents per XLM on the 22nd of July there, we experienced up to 63% in gains over the following 46 days. And if you weren't able to take profit above at or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 27% ROI when 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bearish on price action. And after those sell signals became present, we experienced up to 23% in downside over the following couple weeks before a bullish area of accumulation was to be suggested. And we have been bullish on price action ever since that bounce off of 26 cents there, and especially ever since 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish on the throughout the first week of October here. So right now, we are interacting with technical support. In my opinion, I'm still bullish on the continuation of the uptrend. We are just waiting for further solidification of support. Watch out for a potential second sell signal. Look out for confirmations of support. We're waiting to break this 40-cent resistance. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Are you holding XLM at current levels? Where do you think prices are headed to? Now, Funfair against Tether price action interacting with a potential area of accumulation ever since what appears to be the 20th of September. Price action looking for continued support. Technically, this key level here, 0.019, is going to be the key level. We need daily candles opening and closing above or below to solidify as support or resistance. In my opinion, buy pressure is very much present near current levels. However, if we were to make our way downward here in the immediate short term, we're looking for continued technical support all the way down to 0.016. In my opinion, that is going to be still support waiting for us down below as well. We are under the influence of buy signals. 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors bullish on price action ever since the 12th of November. However, we did experience the significant rejection off of technical resistance present. 0.022 is going to be the key level we need to conquer and confirm as support before we can be more comfortably bullish on continued upside. Once you've solidified 0.22 as support, my next target for this coin is going to be 0.039, just under 4 cents per Funfair. That's going to be the next significant area of technical resistance overhead that we are making our way toward once support has been established near current levels. And so, in my opinion, we're waiting for these technical key confirmations, currently still under the influence of buy signals. And so, if you look at our previous combination of Robo advisors suggesting bullish upside ever since the end of July here, we experienced up to 121% in gains over the following 24 days, easily well over doubling your money, and you were still able to capitalize on 43% ROI when EngineeringRobo became bearish on price action, and we experienced up to 30% in downside over the following couple weeks after those sell signals became present. And so right now we are looking at another potential bullish area of accumulation for this coin with anticipated upside. We're just waiting for continued technical confirmations. Let me know down below what you're doing with this coin at current levels. Now, this is TCT against USDT price action, interacting with a potential area of support here. We're looking for continued buy pressure off of this 0.030. Currently the 0.236 Fibba Bugatti line acting as support and buy pressure here for us. However, in my opinion, this technical key area of significant resistance is waiting for us. 0.033 is going to be the key level. We are needing daily candles opening and closing above to confirm as support and a bullish area of accumulation with comfortable anticipation of continued upside. Right now that is a resistance overhead. Currently we are under the influence of all three of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action. So once support has been solidified, my target for this coin is going to be within the 5-cent range. 0.053 is going to be the next area of significant resistance waiting for us overhead once support has been established. Failure to hold buy pressure near current levels will send us all the way down to 0.026. That is going to be the key area of technical support waiting for us in any sort of downside we experience. The most significant area of support is all the way down at 0.022. Those are going to be the key levels we are waiting for interaction with if we were to experience any sort of downside. However, as I mentioned, we are supported by all three of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action. Ever since the first couple weeks of October here, we've been in a very tight range of sideways with this very aggressive bullish area of accumulation in my opinion. So once support has finally been established, I do believe we are set to see some very euphoric upside here. We are just waiting for these technical confirmations, and we've been bullish ever since October here. So let me know down below where you think price action will go. I am waiting for confirmation of 0.033 as support to be more comfortably bullish on accumulation near current levels. Now, IOST against USDT. What do we have here? Price action looking for support. We're looking out for continued buy pressure near current levels as we interact with this current 0.5 Fibba Linguini line. 0.046 is going to be a key level to consider moving forward. Price action under the influence of some sell signals at the moment as we come out of a rejection off of significant resistance overhead. 0.056 is going to be the key level of resistance waiting for us to give us a hard time as we make our way upward here. We are looking at buy pressure as we make our way downward toward potential support near, in my opinion, technical key level here. 0.032 is going to be a technical area of support if we make any sort of moves downward here. If we consider our previous Robo advisor suggesting a bullish area of accumulation back throughout the end of July near this 0.024 key level, after accumulation we experienced up to 258% in gains easily, well over tripling your money with Engineering Robo's buy suggestions on this coin, and you were still able to capitalize on 115% ROI with Engineering Robo's sell suggestions. And since those sell signals came into play, we have experienced up to 23% in downside as we await the most bullish area of accumulations. We need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bullish on price action to consider a comfortably bullish area of accumulation. At the moment, only the buy 4 is present as this sell 2 and hell signal are still influencing price action moving forward, and we are still looking for buy pressure and support through this short-term move downward here. I do believe I'm still bullish on the uptrend overall. Once support has been found, we've been in a very tight range of sideways in accumulation ever since this swing high in the sort of 10th of September here. We are just looking for support and buy pressure down below before we can continue these gains. Watch out for other sell signals coming into play suggesting further interactions of support may be necessary. We're waiting for daily candles to close to confirm any sort of suggestions that Engineering Robo may be trying to print. Let me know what you're doing with this coin at current levels down below. Now, Ethereum price action currently making its way downward towards support here. As we can see, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors have become bearish on price action. The sell 2 and sell 4 coming into play on the 16th of November here with this daily candle close. And if we consider the previous buy signals, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish on price action would have been confirmed on the 2nd of October. And then after 39 days, we experienced up to 43% in gains on Ethereum after those buy signals, and technically, EngineeringRobo is suggesting you capitalize on 24% in gains, near current levels, or when these sell signals came into play with the November 16th candle close here. And so, with these EngineeringRobo sell signals coming into play, we can anticipate continued sideways and accumulation or consolidation may be necessary for Ethereum before the uptrend can continue. In my opinion, we're making our way towards some very strong support waiting for us. $3,922 is still support for Ethereum that I've been suggesting, for the last several weeks here. And so, in my opinion, this is a very bullish pullback and retracement for any sort of uptrend, and any sort of downside or sideways that we experience is still very bullish for the uptrend overall, in my opinion. So I personally would be accumulating through these lows. However, let me know down below what you're doing with this coin at current levels, if you're bullish or bearish currently, if you're panic selling or buying the dip now. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently price action interacting with the most bullish area of support. I've been suggesting $58,800 is still going to be the strongest area of technical support ever since we found ourselves above it back throughout the second week of October here. So price action still looks bullish in my personal opinion. Technically, EngineeringRobo has become bearish on price action. So when we consider these previous buy signals, 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation, and then we experienced up to 43% in gains on Bitcoin after EngineeringRobo became bullish. And now technically, with these sell signals, EngineeringRobo is suggesting you perhaps consider taking profit near current levels, allowing you to capitalize on 24% in gains with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And so I do believe with these sell suggestions present, that just means we need further solidification of support before the uptrend can continue. I am still very bullish on a 6-figure Bitcoin, perhaps sooner than expected. Even at current levels, I do believe this is just a very bullish pullback and retracement for the uptrend in the longer term. We're always looking out for these technical key confirmations. Let me know down below where you think price action will go, if you're buying or selling here, if you're bullish or bearish on Bitcoin at current levels. In my personal opinion, it's very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin at current levels. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below, and tune in for the next one.